Introducing our all-new 350 LXZ luxury crossover. It's not just an amazing must-have masterpiece we're building on our reputation for innovation. Our vision is to create something so elevated in not only styling and comfort you'd expect from a luxury automobile, but also performance. We charted a course to reimagine and perfect what a luxury crossover should be. The extreme attention to detail you see across our models is actually born in R&D, a seasoned, professional team of boat builders, artists, and engineers led by Scout CEO and founder Steve Potts and his son, Vice President Stevie Potts. This is where our unique ideas begin to take shape. We start with a hand sketch, and another, and another. Conceptual ideas are further defined in our state-of-the-art CAD programs. As the design evolves from 2D to 3D, the model begins to take on a personality and the Scout philosophy. With the use of 3D printing technology, we build a scale model to study. Every sketch, every spec, every detail of the model is pored over by our design team as we marry innovation with functionality. Even intricate details of the things you don't see, like those of electronic diagrams, aren't treated as an afterthought. They are reviewed and perfected to ultimately provide the most sophisticated model in its class. Back in R&D, now the model begins to literally take shape. Here's where we take customer input and our craftsmanship and truly put them to work, continuing to refine each along the way. No cutting corners, no compromises made. Just sheer hands-on boat building at its finest. And while we're infusing technology into this new luxury crossover, we're actually utilizing technology to bring it to life. From our own in-house CNC routers that play a crucial role in making the build consistent and precise, to our exclusive and state-of-the-art epoxy infused dual stepped hole construction. All, of course, built on our 100% hand-laid process. From the conceptual sketches all the way through the entire build process, it's all about Scout precision. It's this drive that goes into creating an entirely new class of boat that no other builder is willing to do. Our all-new S-Class 350 LXZ. Discover more at scoutboats.com.